Amid the noise of mining and construction, BEILITE hydraulic breakers keep working where others stop. Built for rock, built for impact, built for the toughest job sites on Earth. Every strike delivers power, precision, and lasting durability. From quarries to demolition sites, BEILITE helps operators take on demanding conditions every single day. But real reliability goes beyond performance, because even the strongest machine needs proper maintenance. Before any inspection or service work, always make sure the breaker is safely shut down and hydraulic pressure has been fully released. For many overseas customers, one question always comes first. If something goes wrong, who will support us? At BEILITE, we understand that concern. That's why we continue building after-sales service networks across multiple countries and regions. Technical support, troubleshooting, genuine spare parts, local service assistance. Wherever service coverage is available, our team is ready to respond. Because we don't just export equipment. We stand behind every breaker we build. When you invest in BEILITE, you're not only buying steel, you're investing in confidence, in reliability, in support, in long-term partnership. BEILITE, built to perform, built to last, built to support.